Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Today we share a delicious must-try kebab recipe. Put 1 kg of cubed beef in a pressure cooker and cover with water. Boil the meat for a while and skim off the foam. Then close the lid and cook for 10 minutes. Soak 5 half-peeled and cubed eggplants in salted water for 20 minutes. Drain and pat them dry with a paper towel to remove any excess water. Then deep fry. In a separate pan, combine 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 2 diced onions. Saute for a couple of minutes and add in 4 or 5 chopped long green peppers and continue to saute. Add in 5 or 6 cloves of chopped garlic and mix. Season with pepper, red pepper flakes and salt. Finally add the cooked beef, mix and take it off the stove top. Mix the fried eggplants with the beef in an earthenware pot. Place sliced tomatoes and long green peppers on top. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of tomato paste with 200 ml of hot beef broth that is left from the cooked beef. Pour the sauce over the pot. Bake at 200 degrees until tomatoes and green peppers are cooked. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching!